Hi, everybody. So, welcome to OL 695 Consulting. I know that this has been an exciting time coming into the fifth and final term, knowing that you're going to be the first graduating class from Goodwin University. But I want to welcome you to an unusual experience, to say the least. This is not going to be like a typical class, nor will it be a typical term. First of all, you're going to have two classes at the same time for the first 7.5 weeks. Lisa Manley's OL 525, and then this, your Capstone experience. I want you to know for the first 7.5 weeks, your first responsibility is to Lisa's class. That is a typical accelerated format class, and you need to complete that. Despite that, you are going to be expected to do a little something every week for your capstone. You're also going to need to arrange some meetings. So I want to update you. There was a little hiccup with our Blackboard. It's a weird situation. It had to do with my name change and Blackboard not really accepting that I was no longer just S-Coin. But that's neither here nor there. You should know you have no work due in OL 695 for the first week. Focus on Lisa's class. Things should all be corrected with your consulting site. Here's what you're going to have to do now. I am going to upload with this announcement, I'm going to upload your consulting guide, which is going to help to prepare you for what lies ahead. You need to divide into two groups, one group with 3 students and one group with 4 students. And those groups will be maintained throughout the entire 15 weeks. You are going to have an assigned project, and I will tell you what the 2 projects are because I'm going to be your site supervisor. We are at the point in the development of the MSOL program that I need some consultants. So the first group of consultants is going to work on how to work with our alums. A really important thing, how do we keep them involved? You're going to need to develop a program, a process, and we're going to need to gather as much information as we can from them. I think you're going to find this could be a really exciting time because you're almost on the verge of being an alum yourself. So that's our first project. Our second project is a little bit different. It's going to be how to work with the portfolios. Shortly, you're going to get your portfolio back. I will expose you to the entire process we've used with the portfolios. But what you will be doing is deciding how we could change it, update it, improve it, so it's going to be the most effective possible. Both of these are vital for the continuation of our program, but also for the continuation of our contact with the people who have spent their time and treasure graduating from this program. I am going to ask you to read your consulting guide from beginning to end. I need to know which group, who makes up which group. So again, the alumni or the portfolios. I need to know the distribution of people. And you need to have a meeting as a group with me within the next 3 weeks. Now we can schedule it right before you come to your class. So next week we could have one right before your class. Say the alums, and the week after we could have the one with the portfolios. Whichever works for you, but within 3 weeks, I need to meet with both teams. I do have expectations. And I am going to expect that everyone does their work. And about twice during the course of this term, I'm going to send you an email and I'm going to ask you for an analysis based on a template I'll provide of your teammates and yourself. There is no room for people not fulfilling their responsibilities. To that end, please know late work is going to be a real problem, because it's going to force more work on other members of your team. As a result, we are going to be very precise in how we move forward. If you're wondering why we're doing these projects, I wanted to make sure that we had a continuation from OL 660. We've learned so much about how the program is working for you that I felt this was the final opportunity for me to get the assistance I need to move forward. I'm really excited for what lies ahead. I'm also always available for questions and concerns. Please don't hesitate to ask. I will see you Thursday night in Lisa's class, but in the meantime, welcome to OL 695 and truly your final experience in this program. You will have one thing left at the end of this, which is the third week in April. You are going to have a presentation to me and to select members of the community of Goodwin University. I am asking you to keep that in mind and remember, you have a report you will submit and you will also do a presentation. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.